Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Jonalisa Liwayan from the Philippines. I am married with 4 children. Uh, I am 5 feet tall, 51 kilograms, and I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and a good helper. I don't have any bad record in Hong Kong. For my experience, I worked in Hong Kong before with 5 members in the family, 3 children and 2 adults. My work task is I do all around work. I go to market, I clean, I wash, uh, I cook, and I send the children in their school. For my cooking experience, I know how to braise pork, chicken, beef, and duck. I know also how to steam fish, steam crabs, saute shrimps, and stir fry different kinds of vegetables. And I know also how to cook scrambled eggs with tomatoes, scrambled eggs with red onion, scrambled eggs with yellow and green chives. I also know how to cook some uh, soup for the long-term soup and a simple soup for minced pork and with egg. That's all, mom. I don't have any tattoos in my uh, body. During my day off, I am a Christian. I go to the church. During my day off, I stay in the church for the whole day. I thank you, and that's all, mom.